Next, there's print on demand. Print on demand allows you to create, sell, and deliver physical products to your customers, such as CDs, DVDs, books, t-shirts, and other merchandise. It's just like dropshipping, except you design your own unique products. Here's how it works. You generate traffic using free and paid methods. Your products are listed on third-party websites like Teespring or Redbubble. When a customer buys, the site creates your product and then delivers it straight to your customer. You profit from the sale of your product, minus the cost of creating and shipping your product, and minus the cost of ads and listing fees. Now here's a variation of this model if you plan to create your own information products. Again, you generate traffic using free and paid methods. You direct that traffic to your website where you sell a physical product, such as a CD, DVD, book, or USB stick. When your customer places an order, the print service is automatically notified and creates your product immediately. Your product is then delivered to your customer. You profit from the sale of your product, minus the cost of creating and shipping, and minus the cost of ads and content creation. You can sell unique physical products without buying in bulk, stocking, or delivering products. Your offer can be used as an upsell or an order bump to sell physical CD, DVD, or USB sticks, or book version of your digital products. It makes you stand out amongst other sellers and ensures your customers don't lose your product like they would with a digital file. And they can digest the information better, which can lead to good customer relations and more sales in the future. You can use Konaki to create and deliver CDs and DVDs, Trepstar to create and deliver USB sticks, and Lulu to print and deliver your books. If you have a strong social following, you can use Teespring and Redbubble to sell your branded merchandise. The difficulty level is medium, as it requires some knowledge of setting up automation systems. However, it can be integrated with the previous method to increase your profit. If you like this video, then don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And if you want to learn more, then grab your free online starter pack from the link below. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.